Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of Friday. Yes, it's the Friday edition of June the 9th, 2023. I've already solved in this additional the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Today it's actually Sunday, yes, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and in the Saturday edition, June the 10th, 2023, I've already finished the puzzle page, and there's no extra puzzles in the weekend edition, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, and this one will be number 6578. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Yeah, Sudoku with 0 stars. If you compare with the 1 star, I need to be fast. The 1 star time limit is faster than 15 minutes. Maybe this one 14 minutes. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, well, 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, down, need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in the last column, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Then 9, 8, and I need a 2. Let me think. 8, 2, 9. 2, 9, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and 9 in this box. The 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box. Only 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. And now let me think. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6. Well, 6, 6. No. 8 and 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Let me think. 9 and 5. How about the 5? Need a 5 here. 5 there. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5, okay. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about the number? Come on. 7, 5 and then 9. 7, 5 and 9. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the first column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this row should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the last row, so the 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Can I count the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, that's number 2, number 7. How about the 1 in the last column? Sorry, 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Then need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2, 2. Okay, need to wait. 8, 8. Need a 6, 6, 6. Need a 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9. Let me think. Need a 6 here also. Well, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 6. Need a 6 here in the first column. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. So only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in this big square. Another 8, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And then the 5, 9 and the 5. Okay. And now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. The 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, the 5 and a 9 in this row, the third row, the 5 and a 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. That means 1 digit left in the first row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 3 and the 6. And here also 3 and a 6. Here also 3 and a 6. Well, how about here 5 and a 9 here? We have a pair. Need a 2 here then. Need a 2. Alright. 2 and a 9 here also. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. Could be 9. Could be 9. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left here. The 2 and a 9 in the last column. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 6. Here 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left. The final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. We solve this in 13 minutes and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.